Struggling to delete your Zoho Mail account? Learn the exact steps to close it permanently in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through each click, from your profile to final confirmation. Follow along carefully. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select My Account to access your account settings. On the My Account page, click on Settings from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Close Account to begin the deletion process. A warning will appear. Go ahead and click Proceed to continue. You'll be asked to verify your identity. Click Verify via Passkey. Once verified, click Proceed again to move forward. Click Next to acknowledge the first set of consequences. Then click Next again to confirm you understand the second set. Now, click on Select a Reason to open the drop-down menu. Choose Apps are complicated to use as your reason for leaving. Check the first verification message to confirm you've read it. Then check the second one as well to proceed. Finally, click Close Account to permanently delete your Zoho Mail account. And that's it. Your account is now closed. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.